In another video, you are shown how you can simply drag and drop a URL from a browser to your FirstClass Bookmarks folder to create a bookmark. In this video, you'll be shown how you can manually create your bookmarks. In FirstClass, you can create aliases of conferences and folders, but not documents or specific messages. If you want to have quick access to a document or message, you can use a bookmark. For example, here is the acceptable use policy, and I want to add a bookmark for it. Close the document, and then click on it and choose Collaborate, Add to Bookmarks. This will bring up the Bookmarks form where you can modify the name and optionally add a subject. Do not modify the URL. Click on OK, and it's added to your Bookmarks folder. Now, launching the bookmark will open the document. From within your Bookmarks folder, you can also create a new bookmark. Click on the New Bookmark button to be presented with the New Bookmark form, and you can give the bookmark a name, and if it's a website, type in the URL and click on OK. If you create a new bookmark, you can also click on the More disclosure triangle to reveal advanced options. Here you can see that you can either enter an internet URL, which is the default, or a FirstClass private or public URL. In that first example, when we created a bookmark to the acceptable use policy, it created a public FirstClass bookmark. And we can see this by selecting the bookmark and looking at the properties. The other kind of FirstClass bookmark is a private bookmark, and this is very useful if you regularly log into your FirstClass server or any other FirstClass server using a different account. Create a new bookmark and select FirstClass private URL. Enter a description for the bookmark, then enter the user ID and password for the account first. Finally, enter the site name as it would appear on the server field of the FirstClass client login screen, and then click on OK. Now, when you launch the bookmark, you'll be logged in to that server using the user ID and password specified. One more thing. You can edit the properties of this bookmark and add a path. For example, if you want to log in as this user and directly open the mailbox, enter Mailbox in the path and save. Now, launching the bookmark will log you in and open the user's mailbox.